So I've had a bunch of you guys asking me how I turned my Snapchat into dark mode. I thought I'll give you guys a little tutorial today. Because I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube saying you need to jailbreak your phone or hack it somehow just in order to get dark mode, but this is wrong. Once you have your app updated, simply go into the settings on the top right. Simply scroll down on your My Account options. Here you'll see the app appearance on the complete bottom of the menu. Once you click this, you'll see three options: Match System, Always Light, and Always Dark. The Match System option will match with your iOS appearance settings, meaning if it goes dark, your app will go dark, and if it goes light, your app will go light. But here you can easily click Always Dark, as a lot of people have complained over the years about Snapchat app being way too bright, with some people saying when opening the app at night it feels like a flashbang. I hope this helped a few of you guys figuring this out. So let me know in the comments, do you prefer dark mode or light mode? Good luck!